This video quickly walks you through on how to update your OBS Studio, which is video streaming and recording desktop application. First, click on Start for Windows users. Click here and search the software, which is OBS Studio in this case. On typing few words that makes up the name, it will show up in the search, okay? That's the best match. Click on it. Once the app opens, the next step is to click on Help. On clicking on Help, you will see some options. And one of them is check for updates. So click on that. On clicking on that, if there is any update, they will show you. Instead for you to click on update, wait for a few minutes and it will be updated. But in this case, there is no update available. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, including video editing, okay?